How's everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. Just got called out to this 2010 Honda Civic. Customer concern and complaint is that the vehicle is no crank, no start. The customer thought it was the battery, so they replaced the battery already. So I'm here to try to figure out what's going on with this vehicle. So first thing I want to do is verify that we have full battery voltage, and I know we do because they just replaced the battery, but we're going to verify that as well. All right, so I got my meter out here. We're going to verify the voltage, and this battery currently has, wow, 132 millivolts. This is like a dead battery. All right, so let me go ahead and I'll put my jump pack on it. All right, so I'm going to connect my jump pack to this. Let's see what it's showing me now. Hopefully full voltage. Okay. 132. Turn this bad boy on. Alright, let's try it now. Okay, it's 11.7. Alright, so let me see if we can try to crank it.
Can we start it? Or? Yeah. The keys are up here.
Let's take a look. Okay. Oh, the vehicle started right up. Huh. I wonder if it was just a dead battery that the customer was experiencing. What we're going to do is just going to let it warm up a little bit, and I'll remove my jump pack, and then we'll try it again. There's a possibility it might have just been a dead battery, but then again, some of these conditions, especially with a starter, could be intermittent. But I'll go ahead and continue the diagnosis. We're going to let it warm up and see what happens. Alright, I'm just going to take a look and see if the charging system is working on this vehicle. Okay, 14.53 volts. Right now it's at idle, it's cold. So definitely the alternator is charging with no issues. I'm gonna do a quick voltage drop from the battery to the alternator and see how it's doing. We're gonna go on the positive side. So I'm gonna open up. Let's see. Here. There's the switch, so this should be it here. There we go. So now we're going to go from the positive on the terminal of the alternator to the terminal on the battery. And right now we have a voltage drop of 188.89 or 190 millivolts, which is nothing, and that's really good. So now we're going to do from the alternator case, the ground, to battery ground, and we have 96 millivolts. That's really good. So there's definitely no voltage drop or excessive voltage drop that would be of concern on the ground side or on the positive side of the charging system. So the charging system is definitely working the way it's supposed to, you know. So I'm gonna go here, just on the cable in. I'm gonna try a cable in to cable in, see how it looks. 206 millivolts, 7. That's really good. So the charging system is definitely working as intended. As we can see, it's 14.2 volts charging. So the charging system is definitely working. So I wanted to rule that out the way. So I'm gonna, like I said, let the vehicle warm up. I'm gonna try to start it again, and if it doesn't start, then what we're gonna do is continue with the diagnostic and see if the starter is of issue, and if it is, I'll bring you guys back. All right, so I had the customer take the vehicle on a test drive, or actually on a drive. Told him to go down, take it for about a 20-30 minute drive. The battery was really low, so he took the vehicle out. I told him to put the all the loads on, which was AC, heater, high beams, and then just drive it for about 25-30 minutes and see if this battery would take the charge. He just got back, so I'm gonna see if the vehicle start. Put the key on. We got power everywhere. See if it'll crank. Okay, so it started fine. That's a good sign. Turn it off again. Do another start. That's fine. All right, so I'm gonna set up the vehicle for us for a charging and starting system diagnosis to see how the whole system is working in its entirety. I know I did a charging test, which was primarily just with the voltmeter, but I'm gonna connect my Autel to it, and we're gonna do a whole battery management system test and see how everything's working. So let's get on that now. All right, so I'm gonna set up my Autel. We're gonna get the BMS system ready for test. I'm gonna set this up right here. PC on. Go battery management system. We're going to do in-vehicle test. Alright, so flooded battery type. Let's see, this is it's got 500 cold cranking amps. It is a flooded battery. So let's switch this to 500. Actually, I'm going to set this up to take it inside the vehicle, since I'm going to have to work on this. And put next. Okay, turn off electrical appliances. Alright, so let's go in here, drop the window. Come in here. Alright, so I'm going to turn the switch off. Turn off electrical appliances, engine off, all windows and doors. Okay, let's do the test. So we're going to work on the battery test first. Okay, so the battery came out good. That's definitely a good sign. We'll continue. Engine is off. Start testing. Okay, so we can go ahead and start the vehicle. Okay, cranking normal, that's good. Continue. Okay, turn off our electrical appliances, headlamps. Okay, everything's off. Continue. Make sure heater's off. Everything's off. Alright, let's see. So we're going to accelerate at 2,000 RPMs. Alright, so now We'll turn on electrical appliances, headlights. We'll turn on the AC. Turn that bad boy on. Okay, so we're going to put a load on the system. We're going to accelerate 2,500 RPMs. Okay, release accelerator. Okay, turn off ignition, electrical appliances. All right. Continue. All right, charging normal. So it's got a good ripple, 169 millivolts. No load voltage was at 13.9. Load voltage at 13.92. So everything looks good. So we're going to view the report. Good battery. Okay. Going to save. I'll provide this to the customer. I'm going to set it up here so I can show them. As you can see, this gives me not only the battery results, which is the state of charge is at 98%, which is really good. The starter results is its starting voltage was at 12.4. Starting time 0.87 seconds, really good. As we can see, the voltage drop here when it was cranking. It went down to 9.3 initially. Then it came back up, charging all the way up to 12.9. So it recovered really well. Charging system is normal. So this is a good test. Everything came out fine. So I know the customer was complaining of a no crank, no start. So it could be possible that it still has that issue with the starter, but until that happens, then we won't know. As of now, it was a dead battery. The whole charging system's working fine. Starting system's working fine. So pretty much I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Like, comment, subscribe. If this video helped you out, by all means, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And if the vehicle does act up, then I'll definitely bring you guys back for a part 2.